Hey, what's everybody? So in front of you we have the Cabletime magnetic cable. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. But before we start, just want to let you know that we do make a small commission when you do click on our links and make a purchase. So definitely click on those links, make a purchase. It'll definitely help us out. So here's the box. 40 gigabits per second USB4 cable. Supports 8K 60 Hertz. And it does 240 watt power delivery. So this one here is the 1 meter. Get your little thank you warranty card. And here's the cable. And what's unique about this is that magnetic cable. So once you're done with it, it just rolls up and just magnetically attaches for a nice clean storage. No more tangling. Everything just goes back and magnetically connects to each other. So here's a close-up of the cable. Again, USB-C to USB-C. Cabletime branding. 40G on both. So again, this does 240 watt of charging. So let's go ahead and test this cable out. So here I have my Samsung Galaxy S25. And I have a third-party 100 watt power delivery wall adapter, but you can also use, power bank or anything like that with this cable. But for now, I'm just going to use this wall adapter. I'm going to plug it into USB-C, which does 100 watts. Connect the other end to the phone, and you can see super fast charging. So here I have my 16-inch ARZOPA gaming 144 Hertz gaming monitor. Again, Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Just go ahead, use the cable, plug it into the monitor. Plug the other end to the phone. So as you can see, I can use the phone as my trackpad and everything works like normal. And that's just with the USB-C cable connected to my smartphone and to the monitor. So that's the Cabletime magnetic cable, 40 gigabits per second USB 4 cable, capable of 8K 60 Hertz, and it does 240 watt power delivery charging. So if MacBooks, laptops, or anything like that, this cable can charge your device. And again, magnetic. And when you're done, it literally just coils up to the same shape and form every time. Easy packing, no tangled cords. Till next time, see ya.